What if your garage door could work perfectly and look amazing at the same time? That's what we did in a Plattsmouth home. Titan Garage Doors, Lincoln, Nebraska, replaced the old, unreliable door with an insulated garage door featuring stylish windows. The result? A stunning, efficient door we installed in just hours. If you're tired of a door that wastes energy and adds stress to your day, it's time to call in the pros. Dial 402-576-5771 and let's transform your garage door into a feature you'll love.